Hey, what's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little app here called Cash4SMS, and you're wondering, can you actually make money by allowing a company to send SMSs on your behalf and receive SMSs to your phone, all right? There are lots of services like this. Let's talk about whether this one is particularly legit. How much can you make, and is this a good use of your time? Are there better ways to earn money online, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and internet connection. Go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email, and you can check it out if you want, right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different business models, different apps, different websites, different systems, different courses, right? And some of them are great and they're legit and you can make a lot of money potentially, but a lot of them actually are either not legit at all or they pay very, very little. So the question is it worth your time, right? Let's take a look at Cash4SMS to see how this stacks up against other opportunities. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there are other opportunities like Cash4SMS where they basically work with telecommunications providers and they want to test different networks, okay, all around the world. So this is a global app. If you come to cash4sms.today, you can download this directly from their website, over 100,000 downloads. Now, please remember that this is not from an app store. All right, so you're taking a risk every time you download something like this because you're going to be downloading something called an APK file, which is a file directly from this company's website. And if you're comfortable with that, then that's fine. But just understand that it's not 100% verified, okay? So once you download the app, it will basically ask you for certain permissions on your phone to be able to receive and send SMSs, text messages, right? And then the way it works is they will send you random SMSs at different times, okay? From all over the world, all right? Now, this only works on Android devices and it is global, but sometimes it doesn't work in your country. That's the very important thing to understand. So, depending on where you live, you can download it, of course, but they also say on their website, they state very clearly that sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so they do not guarantee any incoming SMSs. You might be in a part of the world where you're not going to get anything. Sometimes the app doesn't work for everybody as well, right? And your app can be disconnected at any time. So at least they're very, very clear with that, all right? The other thing that I want to mention as well is the big question is how much money can you make, right? So here's the thing, okay? So on their website, and this is a little bit misleading, when you come onto their site right here, it says that you can earn 10 cents to 40 cents for outgoing SMSs, and it looks like you can earn 20 cents euro, okay, for incoming messages, all right? Now, actually, this is a misstatement. Actually, what it is you can earn 2 cents for incoming, 2 euro cents for incoming SMSs, and potentially 1 cent to 4 cents for outgoing SMSs. So they make it look like it's a very big number here, but it's actually not, all right? So if you go into their FAQ, let me just show this to you clearly, right? If you come down to incoming SMSs, how do I earn money? You can see here that they actually say here, you will be paid 2 euro cents for each SMS, all right? So it's not 20 cents, it's 2 cents, right? So it's a lot less than what's stated on their front page, just to be clear, all right? They do that on purpose. They do that to confuse people a little bit, to make it seem like you're earning a lot more money, but actually you're not really. You're earning very, very little money. The other thing that I want to say is that you can choose whether to receive incoming SMSs and whether you want to do outgoing. You don't necessarily have to do outgoing, but they will pay you a little bit more. Just understand that you have to understand that they're going to be sending outgoing SMSs from your phone on your behalf. All right, so you have to be comfortable with that because, basically you're sending it to random people. So, I personally wouldn't be comfortable with that, but that's completely up to you, okay? So let's talk about how much can you potentially earn from something like this, right? Can you earn a lot of money? Or is it actually very, very little money, right? Well, first of all, let me mention that you can withdraw all your money through PayPal. There's a 5 euro threshold. That means you have to hit 5 euros before you can withdraw through PayPal, which is pretty cool because it's low threshold and it's cash, which is awesome, right? Now, the other thing that I want to mention is that, how much can you really make, right, from this, okay? Can you make a lot of money? Because on their website, it looks like potentially there are screenshots of people earning a lot of money. Now, this looks like, a lot of money. It looks like almost like thousands of dollars, right? But it says here 234 euros. Look, you're not going to earn anywhere close to that. Okay, I reviewed a lot of different SMS style apps, exactly the same as Cash for SMS. The nice thing about Cash for SMS is that it's legit, right? You can really get paid out. It's in euros, and you're making again 2 cents euro for every SMS you receive, and 1 to 5 cents for every SMS you send out if you would like that option. But the thing is they don't send you that many SMSs every single month. All right, so expect to earn only a few dollars from this per month. You're not going to make anywhere close to $10 or $20 or $50 a month. This is literally like $1, $2, $3, $4 a month roughly in SMSs. So it's not a lot of money, all right? But the cool thing is that it's free and you don't have to do anything. You just have to download the app and you let them kind of do it. But only you can decide whether it's worth your time. Do you want to let a company send you random SMSs and send out SMSs? Remember, if you want them to send out SMSs, you have to make sure that you have a plan that allows you to send unlimited international SMSs. Otherwise, you have to pay for it. Okay, so just be very, very careful, right? So again, the question is do you want to have an app on your phone that does that, but you're not really earning that much money? They only send a few SMSs a month, and you will only be able to earn a few euros in total. 1, 2, 3, 4 euros a month. It's really not that much money, all right? But again, it's free and you're not really doing anything. So completely up to you whether you want to check out something like this or not, all right? So you can check it out if you would like at cash4sms.today. All right, now if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate more income, maybe a side income, side hustle, maybe a full-time income. Maybe you understand that technology is powerful and you can earn a lot of money, but where do you look? What kind of income can you make? And what sort of business or skill set should you learn, right? I've been online for a very long time and I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. My favorite way is to do it from home in a very specific strategy to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like that strategy, click the link below and I'll send you that to your email for free. You can check that out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Cash for SMS and I hope to see you on another review. Thank you.